Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, Alishan Mo here. Yes, I'm testing my Fimi Palm phone attachment that I designed and 3D printed. And yes, in this video I'm going to talk about a little bit of updates on Fimi Palm. We'll talk about new features and some of the questions that I have been receiving. We'll also talk about this neat little phone attachment that you can download and 3D print for your Fimi Palm and use it to film your moments or your videos even better using your mobile phone or smartphone big screen while your camera is connected to your phone. And it works simply like a charm. Not only it makes it easier to carry and film with your Fimi Palm, rather than having your Fimi Palm in one hand and phone in the other hand like previously we used to do, previewing here and shooting here. This makes life really easy because this becomes all in one system. With a desktop support base, you can also use it, completely hands-free to shoot vlogs using your Fimi Palm. Someone was talking about the grid lines. Well, I haven't seen any option of grid lines here on this little screen, but we do have grid lines in Fimi Play, which I'm going to show you very soon. Now, one of the things I find very nice after the updates is a face tracking, the kind of tracking feature we have been waiting for. So just double click the screen when the camera is on the forward side. Okay, you can double click the screen and you will see, let me zoom in, hold on, and you will see that there is a little face happy smiley icon right here. This means the camera will now detect and track the face. So you can basically put your gimbal down and move around, and gimbal will move together with your face and keep your face in the center. Same thing goes if you turn the camera backward. Okay, one moment. Right now it doesn't see my face. All right, I'll put the camera up and you can see there's a little green rectangle around my face, and that means the camera is going to track my face. Now you can see if I'm moving around, the gimbal is basically tracking my face and keeping it in the view. I'm going down, I'm going up, okay, left and right. Now how fast this tracking should be, you can set the follow speed, and I believe the follow speed will actually adjust that. And if you want to turn off the face tracking, just double click the screen and it will turn off the face tracking. And now you can see if I move away, the camera is not tracking my face. And once again, I double click, it starts tracking my face immediately. And now I'm standing, okay, and I move around, you can see how camera is moving and tracking my face all the time. So I simply love this feature in the Fimi Palm. Alright, so this is this. Now we're gonna turn on the Wi-Fi, okay, and I'm gonna connect it to my phone and run the Fimi Play app. Now this app actually makes life very interesting because you can control all the features of the gimbal and the camera using this, all the settings and everything, and also use the Fimi Play app for, framing your shots even better, because this is just a little tiny screen, but here things get really nice and bigger. Okay, so you can see all my setup and everything, and camera is still tracking my face very well. So you have your battery, your SD or TF card remaining capacity, you have microphone on off, you have lens distortion correction, you have pro mode right here, and you can switch the camera from front to back to selfie mode. So you have grid lines here. Say that was the question, you have grid lines in the app, so you can basically use. Now if you go to pro mode, you can switch, you can set the white balance and ISO limits all by yourself. You also have a joystick here, so you can move your camera around. Then you have a gallery down here, and you can change the modes, shooting modes, simply by swiping right here on the screen. Okay, so video, photo, panorama, okay, just like this. Takes a bit of time to switch, you know, screen goes blank and it switches when it switches the modes, but it's okay, it does work. All right, then we have these settings here, gimbal and handle. So you have access lock and follow, you can have an FPV mode, gimbal lock, pitch lock, follow mode, you can have a follow speed, how fast you want it to follow. I can set it to 8. You have 5-way joystick that you can turn it on or off. Okay, you can also have joystick speed setup, you have a virtual joystick on off here, so you have multiple single or off, and then you have advanced settings. In advanced settings, you have 3-axis adjustment, gimbal automatic calibration, and gimbal gain settings. So let me go back to gimbal gain settings. Already on 9. I was thinking to, you know, make it higher. Anyway, this was this. Then you can change the you know, the resolution right here, 4K 30 frames per second, 2.7K 30 or 60 frames per second, and 1080p different resolutions right here. Okay, and then you have these settings: exposure value, picture quality, color, video output, video codec, and grid lines. So right now I have grid lines and on. Okay, you can turn them off, and I can also have grid lines plus diagnosis. Is that diagnosis? Does it says diagonals? Sorry, not diagnosis, diagonals. So you can have grid lines and diagonals all turned on at the same time. I 3D printed and designed some of the accessories for the Fimi Palm, which are right here. Okay, let me just show it to you very quickly. So first off, these are just the static you know, bases or stands for your Fimi Palm. Just put it down here and you can vlog hands-free. Okay, so this is one base. This is another base, which is with kind of, you know, folding little supports right here. Basically this can stand, but it's very easy to fall, which is not good for your camera gimbal health. So you just use this little stand, which is easy to put in pocket. Slide these legs or supports out. Okay, put it down and put your camera gimbal right in there, and now it will not fall. Left, right, forward, backward, it's pretty stable and it will not fall. You can vlog hands-free. Now these are the static for home use. Okay, now if you have to use your phone while running the Fimi Play app, that's where things get difficult. I tried holding the gimbal and the phone like this, which actually works, but you know, keeps both of your hands busy and kind of tiring. So this comes very handy because you can use it as, you know, base hands-free vlogging station as well. Simple parts, just slide them in. Okay, this one will fix your phone. This one will fix your phone. Okay, after that, well, poor man's gimbal, so you just use the rubber bands to tighten it. Okay, now the rubber bands do serve two purposes right here. One, they hold this thing together, and two, they don't let the phone slide easily, because 3D printing, they're very slippery. The phone will slide out easily. After that, this one is your gimbal seat. Okay, so you're gonna put it in, all right, and slide it down here. So now you have your one-hand solution to shoot videos using this 3D printed accessory for your smartphone. All right, and if you want to go hands-free, just use this base. There you go. And while the camera tracks your face, you can go around and vlog hands-free. Cool, right? It's a nice, neat little thing. Okay, turn everything off, and you can simply dismantle it, put it in your pocket, and take it anywhere. So if you want to download these accessories, go ahead, check out the link in the video description. Now for the video quality of for the video quality and pictures or other stuff, I'm gonna obviously bring the camera gimbal out and shoot some videos for your reference, which you can watch. like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?